If you've ever longed for the perfect combination of delicious, crispy food and a healthier lifestyle, the Dreo Air Fryer Pro Max is here to make your culinary dreams come true. With its 6.8 quart capacity and 11-in-1 versatility, this digital air fryer is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a culinary marvel that brings together taste and health in one elegant package. Integration of taste and health. The Dreo Air Fryer Pro Max is engineered to deliver not just a meal but an experience. With its oven-grade smart temperature control system, it transforms your ingredients into a delightful symphony of crispiness on the outside and tenderness on the inside. The secret lies in the 360-degree hot air circulation, ensuring that your food is evenly heated to perfection. Healthier cooking meets mouth-watering taste in every dish. Cut off 30% cooking time. Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen? The Dreo Air Fryer Pro Max has your back. It boasts an industry-leading temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit coupled with 360 degrees of hot air circulation. This dynamic duo slashes your cooking time by up to 30%, allowing you to whip up meals in a fraction of the time. With a 6.8 quart basket, it's perfect for feeding 3 to 5 people in one go. Say goodbye to those time-consuming culinary marathons. Now you can have breakfast, lunch, and dinner ready in a split second. Click the link below to explore the full product specifications and bring this culinary marvel into your kitchen. All in one cooking. Why clutter your kitchen with various cooking machines when the Dreo Air Fryer Pro Max can do it all? With a temperature range from 100 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 cooking modes, and 6 presets, it's a versatile powerhouse. Whether you're making yogurt, drying fruit, or roasting a succulent steak or poultry, this air fryer caters to your culinary desires. Enjoy a truly customizable cooking experience. Transparent viewing window. Dreo knows that anticipation is part of the joy of cooking. That's why they've equipped their air fryer with a unique viewing window. Its ergonomic design allows you to check on your food's progress without needing to open the basket. Watch the transformation of your ingredients as they cook, all while minimizing cooking time and maximizing the fun. Unlock a world of culinary delights. With the Dreo Air Fryer Pro Max, you're not just getting a kitchen appliance, you're gaining access to a world of culinary delights. The package includes a free cookbook featuring 100 dishes, from tantalizing entrees to delightful desserts, satisfying snacks, and scrumptious side dishes. It's a treasure trove of ideas to satiate your multi-cuisine food cravings. Plus, they promise to keep updating the e-recipes to bring even more flavors to your table. Dreo 6.8 quart Smart Air Fryer. Dreo is dedicated to helping you enjoy healthier cooking without sacrificing taste and creativity. Their 6.8 quart Smart Air Fryer is a must-have for families of 3 to 6. It employs a maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit and advanced heat wrap technology to cook your food faster and more evenly, thanks to its 360-degree hot air circulation. The user-friendly touchscreen allows you to start quickly with a single touch or customize the cooking mode, time, and temperature to match your preferences. In conclusion, the Dreo Air Fryer Pro Max is a culinary revolution waiting to happen in your kitchen. Embrace the future of cooking, where healthier meals and shorter prep times go hand in hand. It's time to elevate your cooking game and experience the convenience and deliciousness of Dreo. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.